Hi, I'm Anita Hampton. I'm here to share some great tips and tricks that will enhance your art experience. Let's get painting. Thank you for joining me today. Knowing what art has done for me, this particular tips and tricks is dear to my heart. So many people have come up to me and said they've always wanted to paint, but they can't draw. I'm going to show you how you can paint and you can draw. Then I'm going to show you how this simple little theory works, followed by a short demonstration. Here are the 3 reasons why you can draw. 1, a square, 2, a circle, and 3, a triangle. The key to drawing any shape is quite simple. Once half of the shape is drawn, the rest of it is a matter of a series of horizontal measurements. Until you gain a little confidence, a ruler or a brush handle will do. Should you have any worries drawing a straight line, a vertical line can be painted anywhere on the canvas by running the brush alongside a straight edge that's resting at the top of the canvas. If a straight edge is unavailable, while holding the brush, you can use your little finger as a guide, running it along the edge of the canvas as you make your vertical stroke. For diagonals, all you need to do is take your brush or your straight edge that's resting at the top of your canvas and tilt it slightly to the left or to the right and make your painted stroke. After a while, your confidence and your eye-hand coordination will become much more efficient and the tools will no longer be needed. Now let's see how this can be used in reality. When I first sketch in a painting, the very first thing I like to do is simulate in my mind's eye where I'm going to place the objects and how large the objects will be that I'm going to paint in relationship to the size of my canvas. I gauge the overall size of the teapot and its placement by first drawing a box. Looking beyond all the detail, the bowl of the pot, of course, is a circle. I place half of the circle in the box, then I draw the other half of the circle using horizontal measurements either in my mind's eye or with the assistance of a straight edge. Once I'm satisfied with my bowl shape and size, I place the flattened circle, or the ellipse, equally between the center line. For the spout, I use an elongated square or rectangle as I gauge the height to the width and the angle of the tilt. Many times I'll tilt the brush to help me capture the angle that I need. Once your large shapes are in place, you'll have a much better idea of how to size and place your smaller shapes for detail. I draw the cup in the same manner. Eventually you feel too restricted when working with a detailed sketch like this once you get into painting. That's the time to simplify your shapes so you can develop them more during the painting stages. I hope this video has proven that anyone can draw and that drawing or painting is not just for the talented. Painting is a form of self-expression that can be learned and enjoyed by all. If you found this video helpful, please visit my website at anitahampton.com and send me some comments. In the meantime, start painting or keep painting, and I'll see you next time.